Hi there, YouTube, and welcome back to another video here at FXGK Millionaire. Guys, I've been out on holiday and I wasn't at my computer at all time. I was only trading from my phone. So for those guys that are disappointed, your boy got busy, but now your boy is back with another value to you guys. So guys, yeah, I'm fully rest. I'm ready to put in some more work and I'm ready to give you guys a lot of value. So on this video, uh I'm gonna break down this volatility 25, guys, and show you guys how you guys can basically take full advantage of this trading opportunities that is about to happen. So if you just take a look now on our daily time frame, right? Here we can see on our daily time frame where we currently trading. We're trading at 1924. That is where we currently trading. So guys, this was an area for us. This reason right here was an area for us that the 25 basically struggling many times, right? As you guys can see, we did struggling a lot of times to break out of it. But what you guys could have seen right here is that now we did break above it and now we're starting to consolidate. All right, so what we can do in this scenario right now, guys, is that we can take advantage of the positions to the downside again, because right, this is one of our major areas of support, and this is one of our major areas of resistance. So this is basically our trading zone right now on the volatility 25. So if you just clean all of it, just so you guys, oh yeah, this clean all of it so you guys can understand what I mean. So like I said, this video is going to be different, guys. It's not going to be just a simple breakdown, but I want to show you guys and give you guys some knowledge and education behind it. So this trading range right here, guys, this trading range right here, that is where we're gonna make a lot of money. I talk about a lot of money because why? It's clean traffic here to the left hand side. So we can expect once 25 starting to break out of this resistance, guys, we can most likely see price coming to uh, 2000, right, easily to 2000, because right, that is where our major area of resistance is laying there. That is how you trade the volatility 25. You trade it from key level to key level, right? For those who are trading forex, does know what key levels is, and for those who just starting out with the volatility 25, would just see it as volatility zones, but it's the same thing but just a different name. So if you just take a look at our weekly now, guys, the same thing, right? This is going to be the reason that we're going to target once price starting to break above here. We also have this major area of support here that price wasn't able to break above below, and we can see that price was basically creating this W formation for us right there. So now it's just about time, patience to wait for price to break above this region here at 1925, not 1925, but this zone around here, to come into this region right here, guys. So let's take a look on our smaller time frames right now so we can take full advantage of what we can basically do with this trading opportunities and how we can take advantage of it. So for those who don't know how to add in key levels, guys, this is how you do it. You're always going to look out for where price did bounce from multiple times. So this is going to be an area for me that I can see where price basically was struggling to break above. So, and as you guys can see right here, this is also a second reason that I most likely would love to see price come tap into, right? So you guys can see there, 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 and there. So this is going to be my trading range. So now you also can add your minor zones right here, like this area right here. This is minor zones where we can see most likely price come and retrace from, right, this zone. So let's jump into our for our time frame so you guys can even see what price basically starting to do right now. So what we can actually see right now is that price was basically starting to create higher lows and higher highs. We did break out of structure, retrace back to previous price action. There we can see price is basically just starting to range right now. So we can basically take advantage of this selling opportunities to our 18, 19, one reason here as well, because right, this is where price bounced from previously. This is also a major zone for us. So let's jump into our 1 hour time frame just to see what is basically happening now on our intraday time frame. Is that is that we can see that we did create this head and shoulders pattern right here. We did break under it, we retest it. There we have a beautiful bearish variation candle set up right there, and we can see prices now rally all the way to the downside. And we can also see that price is currently struggling now at our previous reasons of support. So the best trading opportunity for you guys is to wait for price to come and retrace back to our previous area of market structure. So as you guys can see right here, we have lower highs, we have lower lows. Price is currently now trading a double bottom. We can basically wait for price to come and retest this region to come and head to the downside and to come into this 1891 reason. That is basically what I'm waiting for, guys. So we can also add some levels here on my 1 hour as well, just to keep that in mind, because why, this is a really sensitive market. This market respects most any key level, guys. So that is why it is best to, if price starting to show you that there's rejections from it, just get out of your trading position. So this is basically the zone that I will mark right here. As you guys can see, right, previously we have price come into this region. There we can see we have a complex false break, and there you guys can see there as well price is basically running into this area. We are now currently trading under both of our two moving averages as well. We can see momentum is to the downside. Price can either come back to this area or trade back to our 1939 reason for continuation to the downside, and this will be our first target and this will be our second target, guys. So keep that in mind. Our 4 hour time frame is basically in a range, so we can expect price still to come to this region. So if we can see further continuation here to the downside, we can expect price to retrace back and then continue with this momentum here to the downside. But keep that in mind, guys, from our daily and our weekly time frame perspective, is that we are currently now trading above our previous highs. So we are currently now trading above our previous high. So our expectation is for price to come head into our 2000 region. So yeah, this is it for this, guys. And I was a few people who was inboxing me on my Instagram as well, asking if I can give them signals, guys. So I opened up a free signal group. Uh, and a paid signal group, guys, because why, nothing in life is for free, but this videos that I give you guys, it's basically for free and it can help you. But for those who are new, guys, if you just go to any video right now, guys, down below, you guys could see that you will see we have a link there that says VIX money. Let me just show you guys. There's a link called VIX Money Bot. If you click on this, you must have Telegram. Go to that bot, guys, and this is basically what you will get. Right, the VIX Money signals. I give you daily signals. You day trade and scalping signals. I'm going to take you through the live trading webinars. We're gonna have once a week a live webinars, give you some knowledge, videos, educational, full charts, breakdowns, chart ideas of what to expect. Always at night, I give some of my students ideas to what to expect and all of that. So how this work, you click on the link and then you must come to this button right here. You see my first plan, you just click on it, guys, and as you guys can see, I'm basically charging 500 rand, right? That is basically the cheapest, right? 500 rand, and you can basically make your investment back so much quicker. So if you just click here, paste that, guys, this is really simple. Paste that, right? Then you just hit subscribe, right? And then you open up, right? You must open up Paystack. Once you click from that, it will open up a web browser and it will take you to Paystack, right? So it's just basically doing it automatically, so you don't have to do a lot of money transfers and all of that stuff, guys. No. So now you can just use, you're gonna use your card or just you have EFT. EFT is basically the most simple thing, right? So you guys can see the amount is still 500 rand, and you can just click there on that button. But on the phone, is going to be the same process, guys. For those who was wondering how can you sign up, this is how you do it, right? You're gonna see we're gonna use Ozo, Capitec, Netbank, FNB, Absa, Standard Bank, and all of that. You choose your bank, right? You choose your Capitec bank, put in your account number right here, and a remote password, and make sure that you're on your app. That's your, if you're using Capitec, that's your app is basically on. You log in, and that's it, and you will basically transform into our VIP VIX money group. And I can promise you guys, your life will be changed. You will get your investment back probably the first day. That is basically what I can guarantee you guys. So yeah, if you guys really understand this and really still appreciate these videos, guys, yeah, it's your boy FXGK Millionaire, and I'm out.